There is a nobility to the simpleness of carrying out the duties and expectations of life. We are so conditioned to abhor the tedious, the ordinary, and the predictable. We watch TV and see characters living a fast pace, thrill-a-minute existence in exotic locations. And with social media, we're trained to be accustomed to constant stimulation and then to resent the monotonous routines of our lives in comparison. We often feel like others have a more interesting, glamorous life. It never occurs to us that we all have to brush our teeth, fill the car with gas, clean the dishes, do the laundry. The exciting, the compelling, the highs of our lives are only a small portion of our lives. Most of our days dwell in the routine drudgery of life. If we can make peace with that, then we have found the key to a happy, content existence. In maintaining the duties of everyday life, we serve God. God sees value in each selfless task we complete, even when no one else sees it. There is purpose in the predictable and holiness in the mundane.